Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to import Bookmarks into the Brave browser in 2026. If you've recently switched to Brave from another browser, such as Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or another supported browser, you can easily import your bookmarks so you don't have to add them again manually. To get started, open the Brave browser on your computer. Next, click the menu button in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Bookmarks and Lists, and then click Import Bookmarks and Settings. The Import Bookmarks and Settings window will appear. Click the drop-down menu and choose where you want to import your bookmarks from. You can select another installed browser, or choose the option to import from an HTML bookmarks file if you've previously exported your bookmarks. If you're importing from another browser, select the browser from the list, then choose the data you want to import. You can import bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, autofill information, and other supported data. If you only want your bookmarks, leave only the bookmarks option selected. After making your selections, click the Import button and wait a few moments while Brave copies your bookmarks. If you're importing from an HTML file, choose the HTML file option, click Choose File, browse to the location where your bookmarks file is saved, select it, and then click Open. Brave will automatically import the bookmarks from that file. Once the import is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Done to finish the process. To verify that everything was imported successfully, open the Bookmarks bar or the Bookmark Manager. Your imported bookmarks should now be available and ready to use, and that's it. You've successfully imported bookmarks into the Brave browser in 2026. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Brave browser tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.